Okay, so today we're going to learn the rate as a quantity of another, finding the total given rate and quantity. More problem solving involving rates. Okay. So the first type of rate questions, very straightforward. Well, so fierce. Joel is normally very punctual. Probably something wrong with the computer. Yes. Okay, a rate is used to show a quantity as another quantity. So very straightforward. Let's look at it. The student receives 6 stickers for every 2 pages of work completed. Okay, so 6 stickers receive 2 pages of work completed. These are just examples. We're not going to solve it yet. Okay, later on we will solve it. The lady folds 10 paper cranes every 5 minutes. So 10 paper cranes, 5 minutes. So it's actually the same as 2 units, you get 6 stickers. So 1 unit, how many stickers you will get? Okay, so it's actually the same. Okay, just like 10 cranes, 5 minutes. 1 minute, how many cranes? So is it the same as 5 units? You can fold 10 cranes. 1 unit is how many cranes? So it's similar format, understand? So let's try our first question. Dinah can write 6 letters in 3 seconds. How many letters will Dinah be able to write in 1 second? So 6 letters, 3 seconds. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 1 second, 2 letters. Okay? Actually, I prefer to write this other way so that it looks to me like unit as well. 3 seconds, 6 letters. 1 second, 2 letters. Right? So it's the same as 3 units, 6L. 1 unit, 6 divided by 3. Correct? So now, how many letters will she be able to write in 9 seconds? So now we have 1 second is 2 letters. So 9 seconds will be 18 letters. Alright. Okay. Elijah bought 3 cans of mushrooms. There were a total of 27 mushrooms in 3 cans. How many cans does he need to buy to get 36 mushrooms? So 3 cans equals to 27 mushrooms. So we find 1 can, right? We can find 1 can. So divide by 3, divide by 3. 1 can equals to 9 mushroom. So 36 mushroom equals to 9, 18, 27, 36 times 4. We times 4 on both sides. So 4 cans, 36 mushrooms. Okay, so how many cans can you try, alright? If we want to get 54 mushrooms. So we times 6. Why we times 6? Because 9 times 6 equals to 54. Okay, so 6 cans equals to 54. Well, you're doing 9 times 6 equals to 54. Then you must do the next step. 1 times 6 equals to 6. Okay, because we are doing 2 sides. The answer we get should be 6. Okay, but anyway, because your right answer is 6. So that's correct. Farhan was paid $48 for working 6 hours at a fast food restaurant. How much does he earn for working 2 hours? Okay, so first we must find 1 hour. 1 hour, 48 divided by 6 equals to $8. Or you can straight away find 2 hours. Okay? Alternatively. So, but some people always like to find $1 hour, $8, 2 hours, $16. Okay, so you can straight away find 2 hours. Okay? Now, how many hours does he need to work to earn $240? So you can use 240 divided by 16. That gives you 15. So 15 times 16 equals to 240. 15 times 2 equals to 30. 242 hours. Do you understand? If you don't understand, this is what it means. 2 times 30, 15 gives you 30. Why do I want to times 15? Because 16 times 15 gives you 240. Okay, but if I have my 1 hour, I find it a lot easier because I know, I'm going to write here, orange. I know 1 hour equals to $8. If I want to earn $240, I must times 8, 16, 24. I must times 30. So here I also times 30. So I'll get 30 hours. Okay, so I leave it to you. You don't have to always find 1 hour. Okay, you can stay at 2 hours, but for those that feels more comfortable finding 1 hour, you can always find 1 hour first. Okay? Okay, next question. Jermaine has a collection of 72 seashells. She placed all her seashells into 12 boxes equally. So how many boxes does Jermaine need if she has a total of 156? First, we find one box. One box can hold 6 seashells. Alright? So then, how many boxes can hold 156 seashells? So we use 156 divided by 6. We'll get 26 boxes. So it's 156 divided by 6. Okay, equals to 6. 26, I mean. Right, that's what I'm trying to tell you, Val. Is 156 divided by 6 equals to 26. Okay? Let's move on. Herman painted 4 large murals in 2 days. How many murals is he able to paint in 18 days? Do you know what is mural? Anybody knows what is murals? It's painting on the wall. So it could be, it could be, what's that called? It could be in your school. Some part of your school has a big painting of maybe, I don't know, gardens. Some is in your, I don't know, canteen, near the wall, near your garden. So they can have a whole wall of painting. So that's called a mural. You don't paint on a piece of paper, you paint on a piece of wall. That's called a mural. Okay, so 4 large murals in 2 days. So 4 murals, 2 days, times 9 times 9. 18 days, you can paint 36 murals. Okay, now you want to paint 48 murals. How many days do you need? Times 12 times 12, you straight away get your 48, 24 days. Okay, let's look at how you did it. Okay, this method, right, you get 12, right? A lot of times, I mean, now we are doing this topic so you can remember. A lot of times, some people forget that what you're dealing with is every 2 days. Every 2 days, you can do 12 murals, right? It's not every 1 day. No, what am I talking about? So you need 12 sets of 2 days. 12 sets of 2 days. So you must always remember to times 2 to get this answer. So very good, all of you remember. Okay, so Joel method is like that. For 2 days equals to 4 murals 2 days. 2 murals 1 day. 1 day. So 1 day can do 2 murals. So 48 murals divided by 2 per day, you can do 24 days. Actually, I prefer this method. Yeah, I prefer this method. So although it's the same, right? It looks the same, but sometimes you forget that this is every sets of 2 days, not 1 day. So if you still don't really understand, it's always good to do left side, right side. So this is my left side. This is my right side. So whatever you do this to the left side, you do the same to the right side. So if left side times 9, right side times 9. If left side times 12, right side times 12. Okay. Okay, so 5 lollipop is $2. What is the cost of 25 lollipops? So like I said, you do whatever you do to the left side, you do the same to the right side. So left side times 5, right side times 5. Why times 5? Because we're trying to get 25 lollipops. So that's $10. Well done. Everybody got correct. Question. The amount of time required to repair a car is 45 minutes. How many cars can be repaired in 2 hours 15 minutes? So, suggestion, change the hours and 15 minutes into minutes first. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay. Alright, let's start again. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Not the other way around. Not 100 minutes. Very good. All correct. The amount of time, so first step, change 2 hours for the 15 minutes to minutes we'll have 60, 60, 120 plus 15, 135. 135 minutes, so 1 car, 45 minutes, 135. 45 times what give you 135? 45 plus 45 is 90, 90 plus 45 is 135. So 3 sets of 45. So times 3 times 3. So we get, you might think it's very easy, because remember this is the first lesson for rates. So every time we introduce a topic, it tends to be slightly easier because it's the basic of the topic. But rate is not as simple as it seems. A lot of children cannot do rates at P6. Okay, so it's quite, they are very scared of rates. Okay, so yeah, just bear with me. Get the basic right first. Then once you do, you know it very good at your fingertips, then you won't find it difficult at all. Okay, later on as it gets difficult. Okay, let's look at it. Okay. 2 toners, 1,500 pages. 1 toner, 750. I know what you're thinking about. There's remainder, right? There is remainder. So, 750 pages. 500 divided by 750. You need 6 toner. But then there's still 500 pages not printed. So how? Cannot, right? You need to print 5,000 pages means you need to print 5,000 pages. So if you have 500 pieces remainder that you cannot print, what must you do? You need to buy 1 more toner. So you need to plus 1. So the answer is D. So 1 toner you can print 750 pages. So if I have 6 toner, right, I will be able to print 6 times 750, 4,500 pieces of paper. Do you understand? But I need 5,000. So what do? I have to buy 1 more toner. Understand? That's why I need to plus 1. So like looking at just now what we have left side and right side, right? 1T equals to 750. 1 toner lah, pages. So you want to print 5,000 pages, which you can't. So let's print 4,500. You need to times 6, right? You times 6 on both sides. You need 6 toner. But 6 toner only allow you to print 4,500. So you need to print 5,000, you need to plus 1. Okay? That's how you do it. 7 toner.